Hi guys, so I'm here to film another Birchbox. I don't know when this got in the mail, but let's open it. I think this is my July one. I've been waiting all day to open this, you guys. So hot. Oh, I wrecked the box. So, let's open this. Yeah, Birchbox. So it says, "Hello world, let's do this." Oh, let's do this. This is funny. So, there's 6 items. Let's start with this. So pretty. Amika. Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I'll use these. Weightless spray in the brand signature Oblivica scent that refreshes without residue. So, that's cute. I guess if you use it to go, it is able to go with you on vacation because it is less than 3 ounces. Next, Kula. Oh, I have the mist for this in another Birchbox I received. Kula Classic Sunscreen. Ooh, organic, SPF 50. It's like up to here filled. That's cool. Sweat-proof, water-resistant, and hypoallergenic. Whatever. Sunscreen made with organic botanicals and a tropical fruity scent. Let's smell this. I don't really care about the smell on sunscreen. Oh, it's closed. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what to describe it. You know I'm bad at this. Oh, it says fresh mango. Yeah, I smell the mango. Definitely smell the mango. Next is who? Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. Applied on bare skin, enhances skin defensive power against signs of aging for a radiant complexion. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Gotta use this. I love it because it looks like official. Because it's like not white. And it's not like clear. It's like in between. This is another one of that brand for the eye. Oh, you know what? This is good because I need to start getting these. Because I'm going to start getting the other things for my under my eyes. Cool. Next is Smashbox. Oh, a mascara. I have mascara on now. If not, I would have. Oh, I like that. It's like a triangle. You see? It's like a triangle. Cool. Next is, oh, this Smashbox Cosmetics X-rated mascara. The unique formula uses tripod fibers that stack on lashes for endless volume. Cool. Build it from classic to bold in 2 to 3 coats. This is a CC cream, so tiny, super group. Daily Correct CC cream, SPF 35, light medium, full size. Is $35. So. Five days later. Maybe too late for me right now. But well, I don't know. So there you go. That is July Birchbox for me. That's it. My favorite thing is just this one, really. It's so cool. Alright guys. So